Hi, this is AyaansMath Olympiad. So here critical, logical and Olympiad problems will be uploaded from this channel. So the question is given, if x power of x root x is equal to x root x whole power x, then you have to find the value x minus x plus x minus x. So up to infinity, the value is given up to infinity, where x is greater than 1 now. What is the value of x minus x plus x minus x? You have to find the values up to infinity. Okay, so those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel so that you may get the latest updates from the channel, so that you can get the knowledge. And if you like the video, you can share to your friends. So here what is given x to the power of x root x is equal to x to the power of 1 into x to the power of 1 by 2 whole to the power of x. So this can be written as x to the power of x root x is equal to x to the power of 3 by 2 whole to the power of x. So x to the power of x root x is equal to x to the power of 3x by 2. Now the bases are equal. So here x power a is equal to x power b, then a value will be equal to b, powers will be equal. So here you can write x root x is equal to 3x by 2. x get cancel. That implies root x is equal to 3 by 2. That implies x is equal to 9 by 4. Okay, now the given sequence of x minus x plus x minus x plus x up to minus infinity. So this is in GP, geometric progression. So sum to infinity, s infinity is equal to a by 1 minus r. a by 1 minus r. So the starting value is a, 1 minus r, common ratio is minus 1. t2 by t1, r is equal to t2 by t1, minus x by x, will get minus 1. Okay, now we are substituting here. So here x by 2. So x value is 9 by 4 by 2. The value is 9 by 8. Okay, I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching AyaansMath Olympiad.